Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bhavnagar, it is from Gujarat. I am going to provide all the links in the description for the job roles mentioned in this video. You please check once. Coming to the video, firstly, there is a job opening for the sales executive. It is from Sparrow Softtech. And if we see the education required, like the candidates should have any graduate in any field, and they are looking for the female employees for the post of sales executive. And if you see the skills required for this position, like you should have good communication skills, managing and retaining relationships with existing clients, and flexibility and decisiveness. Interested candidates to please check once all the details mentioned here, and for more detailed information about this job role and to apply, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the junior e-commerce coordinator. It is from Elia Merentech. For this job portion, you will get a salary from 8,000 to 15,000 per month, and the work timings will be 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. That is including 1 hour lunch break. And if you see the job description, like listing products on different online marketplace and e-commerce websites, checking and updating the product listing, and always ensuring stock availability online through inventory tracking, coordinating with the packing and logistics team for online order dispatch and delivery timelines, courier booking, and monitor fulfillment of customers' orders via store pick or delivery service, and monitor sales and promotions. These are some responsibilities I have included for this position. And if you see the mandatory skills required, like you should have skills in basic internet, computer and communication skills. Interested candidates can please go through the details mentioned here. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the general manager land and admin. It is from Ultratech Cement. For this position, the candidates should have qualifications like Army graduate or LLB or ex-Army, and you should have experience for 15 years, and you should have experience in these fields, like you should have knowledge of land acquisition, revenue related matters, and hands-on experience in legal and court proceedings. And you should have essential skills like negotiation skills, realizing skills, people management, and relationship management. And if you see the job roles and responsibilities, like proposing revenue budget for land and legal related expenses, and monitor the same, and propose capital budget for procurement of land, and to represent management and to attend various courts in hearing or legal cases related to land and legal matters, and present oral and documentary evidence on the cases as per requirements, and actively participate in negotiation compensation for land rehabilitation and resettlement. And you have to maintain external relation with government officials and nearby community to improve COS image and IR. These are some job roles and responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the Sea Freight Manager. It is from Sea and Beyond. And if you see the job description, like they are looking for persons with the sales background, uh, the candidate with minimum should have 8 to 10 years of experience in hardcore sales within freight forwarding or logistics industry, and you must be well networked in the market and should have good contacts with the shippers and consignees, and you will be responsible for achieving targets, negotiating freight rates, and you are responsible for business development and achieving sales targets. These are some responsibilities and requirements for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the web developer. It is from Cantech India. if you see the job responsibilities, like you had to develop websites and web applications using PHP and WordPress, you had to revise, edit, proofread and optimize web content, and you had to work with cross-functionally to enhance overall user experience of the platforms, and you had to own various design tasks involved in the web development lifecycle from start to finish. These are some responsibilities I have included here for this position. And if you see the qualifications required, you should have bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in computer science, and you should have at least 1 year of experience using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and WordPress, and you should be proficiency in at least one server-side technology, and you should have ability to multitask, organize and prioritize work. These are some qualifications required for the desired candidates. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for the service officer branch banking. It is from Kotak Mahindra. And if you see the job role, like you had to redress customer needs pertaining to cash, DTs, check deposits and general information. You have to speed and accuracy of transaction and exploitation of other business opportunities sensed, providing quality of experience that will ensure retention and positive word of mouth. These are some responsibilities for this position. And if you see the job requirements, and you should have handled SO profile, and you should be MBA or graduate. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here. And for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.